Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so happy to show you this video today. I actually did this at my mother's house because I was helping her do some stuff with her interior design, and she loves homemade stuff, and so I wanted to give her one of those like little DIY one of those DIY things that would put a real personal touch on it, but also kind of match perfectly with her house. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did. I got this all at a little store, maybe not a little store, but it's called At Home. They have them here in Utah. So they also have a website. I'll try to link all of the stuff I did and their website all down below. So take a look there, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, so here we're gonna start. I have a glass jar with rope on it that kind of gives me a little sea kind of feeling. And then we have this cute candle. It's the Windsweep Beach candle. It has a gradient on it. We have some basic sand, some seashells, and these little blue pebbles that are kind of glass-like, which will create kind of a water feel for us. I'm just going to take off all the packaging so that it's not in the way and we don't have any words or anything, so people aren't trying to look at that. So as I take off the packaging, I'm kind of thinking of how I'm going to be placing things and what I'm going to be doing. So I didn't take off the outer film of the candle so that it wouldn't get actually sandy. As you can see, I have a glass. I put a glass inside of the jar because I thought I wouldn't want it to I'd want the candle to actually be down further, but then later I decided that the candle's a little too small to do that, and so I think I just wanted to level it up further so that you could get that gradient in there. And the glass beads were in kind of a tougher container, so I couldn't really rip that apart. So I put everything in there, and then I'm just mixing around in there the blue so it kind of looks like there's some water in there and there's different colors and stuff. So as I put in more sand, I actually had extra sand left over, and so I made a little bit extra containers for sand and seashells, and here's what we have. So it's really pretty. I end up making, again, 2 little containers and having some like blue netting with it, as you can see right here. And I will make sure I link all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.